Here on The Blend, we really do enjoy getting to know our guests, especially when they have new messages out on the airwaves. In fact, we're going to show you a new ad today that you're going to be seeing soon. This new campaign was filmed while traveling the waters of Tampa Bay with Jack Gordon from Maney and Gordon. Take a look.
Why don't you think about adding rhymes? You know, because people want rhyming language to better remember your commercials. Listen, victims of medical malpractice care more about expert representation, not memorable rhymes.
And there you go. Jack Gordon, board-certified civil trial lawyer with Maney and Gordon, is with us now.
Always a pleasure to be here on the best morning show in Tampa Bay. Thank you for having me, seriously. Yeah, these commercials, you know, one of the more fun things that I get the opportunity to do is some of the creative stuff, the television campaign stuff. And we've had I think some pretty effective campaigns. We've been able to film at Tampa Theater. We've been able to film at the top of the Amalie Arena, some fairly challenging places. My productive team, the production team, perhaps Taylor Gerard, probably one of the most creative guys around, Streetlight Productions, said, you know something, Jack? Let's really challenge ourselves. Let's go ahead and shoot commercials on a boat in the natural weather conditions, with crazy audio, with the water currents going in all directions. We'll rent one of these big sun cruise things. And we thought, well, that sounds fun. You know, we'll get a bunch of beers and we snacks. And no, it doesn't work like that. And they give you one captain, one crew member, and we are truly fighting the elements. It was a heck of a challenge. But I think the commercials came out especially good. And they're fun.
So.
It was fun.
And you know, it's cool to see, like you were saying, you're battling the elements, battling the water. I mean, that, again, is what you do for your clients, though. Not to make the cheesy segue, but I can't help but take it when I see it, Jack. I mean, it is the truth. And I know you are so proud of your credentials and your experience. And that's one of the things that you really like to share with us.
Well, yeah, we have been very, very blessed fighting negligence on behalf of our clients and being able to make a quality difference in their lives. I am truly fortunate to work with a team of truly good trial lawyers, guys who are not merely negotiating and settling cases, but we have a team of trial lawyers. We are trying cases. We have garnered significant experience over the years. We have garnered board certification and specialization in trying cases, and it makes a big difference. I think that, and this is true in any endeavor, in any type of work. It's a small community. And in the legal community, your reputation and the manner in which you are perceived by your colleagues, by defense counsel, certainly by the judiciary and the judges, it's currency. It's important. And we are fortunate enough to be recognized as true trial lawyers who are effective and well-credentialed.
You know, maybe for the average viewer that has not had to experience anything from the legal side of things and are just needing, like, hey, maybe now it's time to get an attorney. Why is that a big deal? The fact that you go to trial, you've spent time there, you don't just settle out of court.
At the end of the day, the value of any case is what, at least in state court, what 6 people sworn in as jurors are prepared to pay. The vast majority of cases are resolved beforehand. There's a lot of different reasons for that. But the value of the case in terms of the manner in which it is being appraised is by adjusters, by insurance companies, by actuaries, and statistically they take in a tremendous amount of information. And one of the primary factors that is considered when an insurance carrier is paying a claim is what is their exposure should they not cooperatively resolve this case? What happens if we don't give these folks the amount of money that they think they deserve? And if we can demonstrate that they are at risk for an excess judgment, for paying a whole heck of a lot more come jury trial time, it enhances the value of the case beforehand.
And you and I have talked before in our conversations too, experience. I mean, we all know experience matters when we come to things, but just even touching on it, it's interesting to hear you talk about the reputation, not just the experience from actually the day in and day out. I think it's actually twofold, which shows how important it is.
It is, and you're going to find, again, there are a number of different reasons why the number of jury trials is diminishing. And many of our lawyers have been fortunate enough to be elected to the American Board of Trial Advocacy, which promotes the right to jury trial. But it's an expensive process, not merely for the litigants, for the parties, but also for the taxpayers, right? The more cases that have to be tried, the more judges have to be paid. These are county employees, the more bailiffs, the higher the air conditioning bill is at the courthouse. So administratively, that's recognized. The legislature recognizes that, and they pass certain laws and certain rules and regulations that really force the parties to take a closer look at trying to resolve the case. And on one hand, that's great because from a resource perspective, it means the case is being pushed towards disposition faster because, again, trial is a long process. But the downside is that you're losing one of the fundamental, important freedoms and rights that we have here in the United States, and that's to have your controversy resolved by a jury of your peers. It is an art, it is a craft, and it is a very, very important right.
Well, again, I always appreciate when you are here. Thank you for talking about this.
Always.
And, of course, reminding our viewers, and we want to make sure, share your contact information so people can get in touch, of course, with Maney and Gordon today. There it is on your screen, fightnegligence.com. There's the phone number as well. And again, Jack, it is a treat to have you here.
Always a pleasure. Thank you for having me, guys.